Callsi Review. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. Today, I'm reviewing Callsi, an AI powered phone agent built to handle your inbound and outbound calls, qualify leads, book appointment, and let you scale your communication without hiring an army. What I like about Callsi includes things like natural sounding voice, multilingual support, integration with Trio and Google Calendar, a solid lead qualification tool. Check out the link in the description below if you want to see the pricing, plans, and what the inside looks like. Stick around, I will show you a quick demo so that you can see Callsi in action and decide if it is something you could use for your business. Let's dive in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Clever Marketing. Share and like. Thank you.
Welcome to Callsi, the most powerful AI telephony platform with real-time AI agents that sound just like a human being. With Callsi, you can do marketing calls, you can do reminders, you can conduct surveys, and people can even call in, get the information they want, and even book appointments. I'm going to show you Callsi, but before that, let's take a quick look at a call.
Hello, Cyril G. I am Joel. Can we talk for a minute?
Hi Joel, sure. What is it about?
Cyril, I'm reaching out from Callsi. We specialize in AI telemarketing solutions. I wanted to ask if your business is currently using AI for telemarketing. If not, I can tell you how Callsi might benefit your business.
All right, could you just give me a brief update?
Absolutely, Cyril. Callsi is an AI telemarketing software that can handle inbound and outbound calls for businesses. It can perform tasks like sales calls, lead qualification, fixing appointments, and answering questions. Our AI makes the calls feel like you're talking to a human agent.
Can it work in multiple languages?
Yes, Cyril. Callsi can speak in multiple languages and accents.
What about
This
Spanish?
means it can affect... Yes, Callsi can communicate in Spanish as well. This allows you to engage with Spanish-speaking customers.
Okay,
effectively.
could you send me the
you
landing
like to-
page, please? Could you send me the website?
Sure, Cyril. I'll send you the link to our website. You can learn more about Callsi there. Please check https://getcallsi.in for all the details.
All right, and what about a follow-up call? Can you send me a follow-up call later, maybe tomorrow? What about a follow-up call?
I've arranged for a follow-up call for you. Our business advisor will get in touch with you tomorrow to discuss further. Thank you, Cyril.
All right, bye-bye. Well, that was just one sample call, but you can imagine the potential of Callsi from that just one call. Yes, it can talk to your customers in any languages you want. It can do outbound and inbound both, and it's a multifunctional app that can be a total marketer or a total telephone caller for you. It can take away a lot of work from you. So to get started, you just create a campaign. I have got a couple of campaigns already. I'm going to show you the Callsi campaign that I set up. Now on the dashboard, you will see information like the call summary. You will see a little graph which shows you how many calls you sent out or you received every day. And if you got any conversions, yes, Callsi can track the conversion. So if people are interested in your offer, Callsi will track that and show it to you. You will see a summary of all the recent calls, and you can view a call just by clicking on the view button. Here you will see the details of the call, the lead name, their phone number, some other details, and below that the actual transcript of the call that shows you how the conversation went, what Callsi said and what your lead said, so that you know exactly what to change, what to track, and how you need to adapt Callsi or modify the conversation in future. And it is incredibly easy to set up an effective campaign, and that is what I'm going to show you very quickly. So each campaign is about a business or a process that you might have. If you got clients, then each campaign can be for that particular client, even for a particular product, whatever way you want to structure it. If you are a real estate seller, it could be about a particular project that you're trying to sell. So you can divide all your calling up into campaigns. And to set up a campaign, you click on edit campaign. That's when you get started, and you need to put in a few details, basic details like the campaign name, the name of the business or the product, a little bit of the profile, put in any information you want, and you can go as detailed as you want. That's absolutely up to you. You get to choose whether the campaign is outbound or inbound, and if you want to receive the transcript by email at the end of every call, which is a great idea because then you can keep track of the conversations on your telephone while you're on the go or wherever you are, and you don't need to be checking Callsi, and you don't need to come back and check Callsi multiple times a day. By the way, Callsi can even send an SMS to people. So if one of your customers are interested in the offer, you can send them an SMS with the landing page or whatever information you have, maybe your phone number. It's totally up to you. And yes, you can personalize the SMS with the lead's name. Callsi uses OpenAI's AI, so you get to choose which real-time engine you want to use, and we heavily recommend GPT Real-Time. It's really good. And you can also decide how many calls you want to send out to people. So if you want to send out multiple calls, maybe you couldn't reach them at a particular day and they want to be called up again, you can choose how many reattempts you want to make. Also, the gap between follow-up calls, and of course the time zone that you're working in. This is very important because you want to target your leads and prospects in the time that is convenient to them, in the time zone that's convenient to them. And of course, you can put in your logo. Next screen, you get to set up the agent profile. It's very easy. You get to choose the agent name, the language they will use, the length of response. So mini response is about 20 words, and you can go up to long responses depending on the business and the use case. Choose the response length you want, and you can also choose the speech speed. How fast will your agent speak? Normal is just fine. Then we have instructions, and that's where you get to adapt the call. That's where you get to customize the call to suit the business. For example, you can start with a particular greeting, and of course you can put in your placeholder again, and you can also tell the AI how you want it to behave. So you can give it information about your business here, any follow-up information that you want, and you can also give it the personality that suits your business. Do you want it to go in depth? Do you want it to be educational? Maybe you're making a coach where people can call and get some counseling. So do you want it to be instructive? Whatever you want the agent to do, and whatever way you want it to do, that you can specify in the instructions section. Next, you get to choose the AI voices, and we have quite a few selection. These are all high quality real-time voices. Let's listen to a couple.
Hi, I'm Alloy. I'm smooth, confident, and perfect.
Hey there, I'm Ash. Chill.
Hey, I am Ballad, the
Hi, I'm Coral, bright bub.
Hey, I am Cedar.
So you can choose the voice that you like just by clicking on it. It'll be highlighted. Next, you have this beautiful feature which is called response and reply. So when you are tracking the calls, let's say you see a particular question or a response from a caller, and you want to create a custom reply for that, so that next time when the AI runs into a similar question, it can just use that reply to frame its response and make sure your clients get the best possible reply. All you need to do is click on add response, and then you can specify what the user said. Let me just put that information in. So check this out. Let's say the customer asks, does Callsi have a D&D feature? And the response is already there. Yes, it does. Callsi maintains a D&D list and make sure you're compliant. You can add it. And next time when a customer asks about the D&D, Callsi will give you the response. Callsi will give your prospect the response depending on the reply that you put in. So it is like customizing Callsi to a level where you train your human agent, right? So you can train it like a human agent. Then you have calling hours. So we've got every day of the week. If you don't want to call on a certain day, let's say on Sunday or Saturday, you can just untick them, and you can choose what time you want to start calling and what time do you want to stop calling. And Callsi integrates with Twilio, so you need to put in your Twilio details. You can just put in the Twilio details over here. And for incoming calls, you need to use this incoming call URL, which is specific for your campaign. You need to copy it and paste it over in Twilio to get your calling infrastructure going. Yes, Callsi integrates with Twilio, which is the top provider for calling infrastructure, for telephone infrastructure in the world. They give you access to all the different country codes and all the different numbers. Maybe you want in a specific area, you can exactly get the number you want. And it also uses the Twilio API to send the SMS. So when your customers are showing an interest in your product or service and they want to receive an SMS, Callsi will use the Twilio API to send the SMS to. That's where you set it up. Now for appointments, you can connect your Google Calendar and Callsi will set up your appointments in Google Calendar automatically. So whenever people say, yeah, I want to talk on a certain date or I want to fix up an appointment, Callsi can do that and it can automatically update your Google Calendar. How cool is that? Next, we have notifications. So whenever some event happens, Callsi can notify you by email. Let's say a customer expresses interest in your business. You could be calling up maybe 20 prospects a day and one of them says, yeah, I'm interested. What can we do next? So Callsi will give them a proper reply and then mark that lead as interested and then notify you. If you want to be notified, you will get an email so that you know that you need to track it right now. There is no need to do a constant checkup. Callsi keeps you in the know. So you can set up your notifications here. Next, in the call section, you can see a list of all the calls that were performed and at the transcript, just like I showed it to you earlier. You can see what happened in the call. So this one probably ended pretty early. Right, so this is how you can keep track of the calls. You can also see your leads over here, and adding a lead is as easy as importing from a CSV. You can even export the leads to the CSV, or you can delete the leads that you want to delete, or you can add the leads manually. So again, you can put the name and phone number and add the lead. Now I'm going to show you a cool feature about the leads. Any lead that you want to work with, let's say you've got Cyriljeet over here and you want to send him a reminder. It could be maybe the payment is due and this guy has to pay you, or you want to remind him about the promise that he will place an order today. Whatever you want to do, you just click on call and then you can set up a specific call to them. Maybe let's say you want to set up a call for 2 days later. Tell Cyril that he has a meeting with me on Monday at 11 a.m. at the Ritz, right? And you can again customize it. If you want to put up any specific responses and replies, you can do that. Now you can either choose to make that call instantly, click on call now, and this call will go instantly to Cyril, whatever lead you selected, or you can schedule it for later. So let's say you wanna remind Cyril at 9 a.m. About the meeting at 11. So you can just do that. So I think Monday is 8. Yep, that's all it takes. And now the call, it's actually 9 p.m. Yep, now the call will go to the lead that you specify at that particular time, and they will be notified of your preference. That's how easy it is to set up a custom call notifying your lead. I want to show you one more thing. By the way, we are in a particular campaign and it has the details of this particular campaign. You can choose to add this particular information to the campaign instructions that are already there, or you can just override campaign instructions, and in that case the call will not carry over any of the earlier instructions you have and just use the instructions that you put up in these boxes. So yeah, it's extremely customizable, and make sure that you are able to use it in many ways, not just as a marketer caller, but also in so many other ways. You can use it as a reminder machine, as a collection agent. You can even conduct surveys. So yeah, you can call up people, ask questions, and your responses you will get in the transcript so that you can review what your customers or what your prospects are saying. So this is making Callsi one of the most flexible calling software out there. There is nothing that is as flexible. In calls, you can see all the calls that are either completed or pending, whatever is their status. You can do that. If you want to cancel any particular call, you can. By the way, I think we also discussed this earlier. Callsi also maintains a do not disturb list. You know how people get upset if they don't want to receive a particular call. You don't want to keep calling them because then they will get angry. Maybe they will make a complaint or write a bad review or just get angry at your business. You don't want that, right? So Callsi has D&D. Whenever a customer says, I don't want to be disturbed, I don't want to be called, Callsi will put their number in the D&D list, and you cannot call them till the time you delete it from the D&D list, right? So that makes sure that you don't end up irritating people. So Callsi is a complete solution that makes sure you respect the local laws. So if you're calling in a particular jurisdiction, they might have such a requirement, and Callsi makes sure that you have compliance with those requirements. It also has team access, so you can have your team members coming into your campaign. By the way, you can assign a particular campaign to a particular team member, and they can work with your campaigns. They can access that particular campaign and be able to monitor your calling, to set up your leads, and do anything that you want them to do. So this is the first preview of Callsi. I'm sure this is going to be something that you will actively use in your business, whether you have an agency or you're running a product business. And if you decide to get it, I'm looking forward to seeing you inside. This is Cyril Gupta, your best friend in the business, signing off.